Aeromobile 3.0, the car that can fly. Aeromobile 3.0 is a flying car that lets you drive on the road and fly in the sky, all with one amazing machine. It looks like a stylish sports car, but when you're ready to take off, its wings fold out and it transforms into an aircraft. You can drive it to an airstrip, unfold the wings, and fly over traffic and long distances with ease. It's built for two people and runs on regular fuel, so you don't need anything special to use it. Switching between driving and flying takes just a few minutes, making it super practical. Made from lightweight but strong materials, Aeromobile 3.0 is safe, efficient, and easy to handle. This isn't just an idea, it's real, and it has already taken flight in test runs. The goal is to give people more freedom to travel, combining the best parts of cars and planes. Ion Robotics L4 UGV, smart and powerful autonomous ATV. The Ion Robotics L4 UGV, also called the autonomous ATV, is a tough and intelligent machine designed to handle big jobs on farms, construction sites, or large properties. With a strong 90 horsepower engine and the ability to haul up to 2,000 pounds, it's perfect for carrying heavy loads. What makes it truly special is its flexibility. It can use all kinds of tools and attachments, just like a regular ATV or pickup, so it's ready for mowing, spraying, moving supplies, or even doing patrols. Controlling the L4 is super easy thanks to Aeon C3 software, which works on a durable tablet. With just a few taps, you can plan routes, set tasks, and manage everything the vehicle needs to do, all remotely. This means you save time and effort while getting more work done. Artist's Finger Exoskeleton, smart protection for your fingers. The Artist's Finger Exoskeleton by Digity GmbH is a smart, lightweight gadget designed to protect your fingers during tough or repetitive work. Whether you're assembling parts, using tools, or working in a factory, this wearable keeps your fingers safe from cuts, crushing, or bending too far. And the best part? It's super light, just 6 to 12 grams per finger, so you hardly feel like you're wearing anything at all. The design uses flexible nylon segments and special joints that move naturally with your fingers but lock in place to stop injuries before they happen. A soft foam pad under each fingertip keeps your sense of touch, so you can still feel and control small tools and objects easily. Built to last, each finger unit can handle strong pressure and is tested for hundreds of thousands of uses. It's certified as official protective equipment and fits easily using Digity's Size Wizard tool. Aska A5, your future flying car. The Aska A5 is a futuristic flying car designed to give you the freedom to drive or fly whenever you want. This unique vehicle works both on the road and in the air, making it perfect for busy city traffic or quick travel between locations. It comfortably fits 4 people and can switch from driving mode to flying mode in just a few minutes. The A5 runs on electricity with a backup range extender, offering up to 250 miles of travel. It uses 6 strong rotors to take off and land vertically like a drone, so you don't need a runway. It's quiet, eco-friendly, and fits inside a regular garage. You can charge it at home or at any electric vehicle charging station. With smart autopilot features and advanced safety systems, the Aska A5 is built for a smooth and secure ride. It's ideal for professionals, families, or anyone who wants to skip the traffic and travel with style. Atmosphere, the ultimate freefall ride in Europe. Atmosphere is one of the most thrilling rides you can find in Europe, located at Liseberg Amusement Park in Gothenburg, Sweden. This massive drop tower stands 116 meters tall, about the height of a 35-story building. Once you're strapped in with your feet dangling, the ride slowly takes you all the way to the top. As you rise, you can feel the tension building, and even get sprayed with a cool mist for extra suspense. At the top, you get an amazing view of the city for just a few seconds. Then suddenly, boom, you drop straight down, falling 100 meters at an incredible speed of 110 kilometers per hour, 68 miles per hour. It feels like your stomach is left behind. During the drop, you'll feel forces up to 4G, making it one of the most intense rides out there. The whole ride takes about 2 minutes, but the actual drop lasts just a few seconds, enough to give you a massive adrenaline rush. Bandit 9. Bandit 9 is a motorcycle brand that turns dreams into reality with bikes that look straight out of a sci-fi movie. These aren't your average motorcycles. They're futuristic, eye-catching machines built for people who love to stand out. One of their most talked about models, the EVIV Odyssey, has a shiny stainless steel body that looks like it's from another planet. It runs on electric power, so it's fast, smooth, and eco-friendly too. What makes Bandit 9 special is that each bike is more than just a vehicle. It's a piece of art. The company makes them in limited numbers, which makes them rare and unique. Bellwether Flying Car. The future of air travel starts here. The Bellwether Flying Car is a cool new invention that could change how we travel in cities. It's designed to fly above the traffic, helping people get where they need to go faster and without stress. This personal flying car takes off and lands straight up and down, so it doesn't need a runway, just a small space to lift off. With its sleek, futuristic look, it feels like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's real and in development right now. Bellwether is built to carry 1 or 2 people and is powered by electricity, which makes it clean and quiet. It's designed for city use, making daily commutes easier, faster, and more fun. Imagine skipping traffic jams by flying right over them. The controls are made to be simple, so you don't need to be a pilot to use it. While it's not ready for sale yet, the Bellwether Flying Car shows us what travel could look like very soon. It's not just about speed, it's about freedom, saving time, and helping the planet with cleaner tech. Bellwether is leading the way into a future where flying cars might be part of everyday life. Cruise Up, the flying car that's changing the future. Cruise Up is a new flying car concept that could completely change how we travel. It's small, sleek, and built for personal use. No pilot needed. Thanks to special cycrotor technology, it can take off and land vertically, so you don't need a runway. Imagine skipping traffic by flying straight into the sky from your driveway. With 360-degree control, it can move in any direction smoothly and safely. Cruise Up is designed for busy city life, helping people save time and avoid the stress of traffic jams. But it's not just about convenience. It's also about protecting the planet. The engineers behind Cruise Up are working to make it eco-friendly with clean energy systems, so you can travel without polluting the air. While the full details are still being developed, the idea is already creating a buzz. It feels like something out of a futuristic movie, but it's real and coming soon. DJI Agras T50, the flying helper for smarter farming. The DJI Agras T50 is a smart farming drone that helps farmers save time, work faster, and take better care of their crops. Built by DJI, a trusted name in drone tech, the T50 is made to spray crops, spread seeds, and even drop fertilizer, all from the sky. It can carry up to 40 kilograms of liquid or 50 kilograms of dry materials, making it perfect for big farming jobs. With just one flight, it can cover a large area, cutting down on hours of manual work. It has smart sensors and radar that help it fly safely, even in bad weather or over bumpy ground. It avoids trees and power lines on its own and knows just how much to spray or spread in each spot. That means farmers use fewer chemicals and save water too. The drone folds up for easy transport and is super simple to set up and fly. Dreamglass Flow is a super lightweight pair of AR glasses that lets you enjoy your favorite games and shows like never before. Weighing only 59 grams, they're as light as regular sunglasses, but packed with futuristic tech. You can connect them to your PlayStation, Xbox, PC, or even use cloud gaming services like GeForce Now and Xbox Game Pass. Want to play Nintendo Switch or Steam Deck on a huge screen? These glasses give you a virtual 120-inch display right in front of your eyes. With powerful Wi-Fi 6 and super low lag, everything runs smoothly, whether you're gaming or streaming movies. You can wear them comfortably for hours, even in public, thanks to their sleek and stylish look. They're also perfect for people who wear glasses, as they support myopia adjustments up to 5 diopters or allow lens inserts. Dreamglass Flow gives you a private cinema or gaming room anywhere you go, on a plane, in a cafe, or even while lying in bed. The Ida bike is one of the fastest human-powered vehicles ever made. Designed by Aira, this futuristic-looking bike broke records by reaching an incredible speed of 144 kilometers per hour, almost 90 miles per hour, using only leg power. What makes it so fast is its super aerodynamic shape, completely enclosed to reduce wind resistance, and lightweight carbon fiber body. Every part is built to make sure nothing slows it down. Instead of a regular seat, the rider lies back in a reclined position to stay low and cut through the air. The bike doesn't have a windshield. Instead, it uses cameras and screens so the rider can see while staying completely tucked in. Thanks to its smart engineering, the Ida bike is over 9,500 times more energy efficient than a typical car. It's not just fast, it's extremely efficient and eco-friendly. In just under 5 minutes, the rider can go from a standstill to 144 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Flying Ship Company concept. The Flying Ship Company has created a new kind of water vehicle that's part ship, part airplane. These special crafts fly low over the water using a cushion of air beneath their wings, which helps them move super fast, up to 10 times faster than normal boats. Even better, they use way less fuel than planes, making them eco-friendly and cheaper to operate. What makes them so cool is that they don't need airports or docks. They can take off and land right from the water. This makes them perfect for delivering cargo to remote islands, helping in emergencies, or even patrolling coastlines. Their sleek design helps them glide smoothly, and they're packed with smart technology like autopilot and GPS, so they're safe and easy to control. Whether it's carrying supplies or helping in disaster zones, these flying ships are a smart new way to travel over the ocean. They combine speed, power, and efficiency in one futuristic package. Helix Neptune. The Helix Neptune is an amazing all-terrain robot built to explore places that are too risky or tough for humans. Designed by Copperstone Technologies, it can move through mud, snow, ice, rocky areas, and even float and travel in water. Thanks to its unique screw-shaped wheels, it works like a tank on land and like a boat in water, giving it powerful and flexible movement in all conditions. It can carry up to 200 pounds of equipment and runs on an electric battery that lasts up to 8 hours, covering about 20 kilometers on land or 9 kilometers in water. The Helix Neptune is perfect for collecting water samples, checking underwater areas, or mapping land that's hard to reach. The Lely Exos is a smart, fully electric robot made to help dairy farmers feed their cows in a faster, easier, and more eco-friendly way. It works all by itself, mowing fresh grass from nearby fields and bringing it straight to the cows. No tractor or farmer needed. This robot can run 24/7, even up to 1 kilometer from the barn, and helps cows get high-quality fresh grass instead of older stored feed. That means healthier cows and more milk. The Exos is light but strong, with big tires and four-wheel steering, so it can move easily across fields without damaging the ground. It uses GPS and sensors to find its way, avoid obstacles, and keep working in all kinds of weather. It even spreads liquid fertilizer while it cuts grass, making the whole process super efficient. Since fresh grass gives cows up to 20% more nutrition than silage, using the Exos can improve milk production while reducing waste. It's already been tested on farms in the Netherlands and is expected to hit the market soon. For any modern dairy farm looking to save time, money, and effort, the Lely Exos is a futuristic solution that makes feeding smarter and greener. Lift Aircraft Hexa. Lift Aircraft's Hexa is a futuristic one-person flying machine that lets almost anyone take to the skies. No pilot license needed. This lightweight electric aircraft uses 18 independent propellers to keep you flying safely, even if a few motors stop working. Built with carbon fiber and weighing just 432 pounds, it falls under the FAA's ultralight category, meaning you can learn to fly it after a short training and simulator session. Steering is easy with a joystick or even hands-free using autopilot. Hexa can fly for up to 15 minutes at speeds around 45 to 63 miles per hour, making it perfect for quick, scenic rides or emergency missions. It can land on both water and land thanks to 5 flotation devices.